Namaskar, I Vishwarupa Rath welcome you all to Uday India Digital. Today I'm going to throw some light upon genome engineering. The nation's genetic engineers are currently working on preclinical research of a genetic therapy that may be able to treat someone with sickle cell anemia, a condition that affects the red blood cells and can cause a stroke, major infections, pain and chronic chest blockage. SCD is a hereditary condition brought on by a change in the hemoglobin S gene. Genes are found in pairs. Both the mother and father gave us one. When these genes are damaged, the SCD results. In India, the disorder affects thousands of people. Genes are fragments of DNA. DNA is a molecule that contains the genetic instruction or hereditary materials that determine your characteristics. Your genome is made up of your genes, additional components that regulate the functions of your genes, and your DNA. Healthcare is about to undergo a revolution thanks to genetic engineering, which involves modifying human DNA, and synthetic biology, a developing scientific discipline that enables the creation of biological components, systems, and even creatures. It could help develop quick and effective diagnostic tools, deal with dangerous germ resistance, and remove many lethal diseases, as well as address emergent health concerns. Synthetic biology is actually being used by researchers all around the world, especially in India, to discover more advanced diagnostic tools, medications, cures, and treatments. According to biologists, this is the future of medicine since it will lower prices and improve the quality and consistency of healthcare. The Department of Science and Technology and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs are funding research on this at 5 institutions, including the Institute of Genetics and Integrated Biology in Delhi and the AIIMS in Delhi. Genome engineering is the future. Genome engineering is a type of synthetic biology that involves making changes to the DNA of an organism. This can be done using a variety of techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9. Genome engineering has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of fields, including medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. For example, genome engineering could be used to develop new treatments for diseases, create crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, or clean up pollution. Gene therapy. Genome engineering can be used to correct genetic defects that cause diseases. For example, genome editing has been used to treat patients with sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Cancer treatment. Genome editing can be used to target and kill cancer cells. For example, researchers are using CRISPR-Cas9 to develop new cancer therapies that are more effective and less toxic than the traditional treatments. Prenatal testing. Genome editing can be used to screen embryos for genetic defects before they are implanted in a woman's uterus. This could help to prevent the birth of children with serious genetic disorders. Agriculture. Crop improvement. Genome editing can be used to improve the yield, nutritional content, and resistance to pests and diseases of crops. For example, researchers are using CRISPR-Cas9 to develop crops that are more resistant to drought and heat. Animal husbandry. Genome editing can be used to improve the health, productivity, and welfare of livestock. For example, researchers are using CRISPR-Cas9 to develop pigs that are resistant to porcine circovirus, a deadly virus that affects pigs. Environmental science. Pollution cleanup. Genome editing can be used to develop new ways to clean up pollution. For example, researchers are using CRISPR-Cas9 to develop bacteria that can break down plastic and other pollutants. Climate change mitigation. Genome editing can be used to develop crops that are more resistant to drought and and heat, which could help to mitigate the effects of climate change. These are just a few examples of how genome engineering has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of fields. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more amazing application of this powerful tool. Here are some additional thoughts on the potential of genome engineering. The potential benefits of genome engineering are vast, but there are also some potential risks. It is important to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of genome editing before it is used in clinical setting. Genome editing is a powerful tool, but it is not a magical bullet. It is important to use genome editing in a responsible way that will benefit society as a whole. The future of genome editing is bright, but it is important to have a thoughtful and informed discussion about the potential benefits and risks of this technology. We need to ensure that genome editing is used in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a selected few. This was it for today. Stay tuned for more such news.